All right, everybody, back at my $9,000 home. I put out some tick tubes today. Had some ticks in the grass. Here's how long the grass is. So I decided I tried to use a sickle and a scythe to cut the grass. My scythe isn't sharp, and the sickle's not too bad. It's a good workout. But my neighbor came over. Actually, two of my neighbors came over and asked me if I wanted my grass cut. I could do it for free with their mower, or I could do it with the sickle, and just not feeling like spending 2 days cutting the grass. So anyway, here we are. It's actually really long. I don't even know how they're gonna cut it. I was just gonna leave it grow throughout the whole year and see what happens. So yeah, here it is, the grass, and it's extremely long already. And I just got finished burning it. But we've had a lot of rain, therefore it's grown a lot. And since the deer are coming through here and the squirrels and the rabbits are loving it, and the groundhogs are loving it, and every other animal, there's ticks in here. So like I said, I made those tick tubes. Put some permethrin on some cotton balls inside just a cardboard paper towel tube, and just threw them out in the yard. So hopefully with that, we'll get rid of the ticks. Maybe not. There's some parts where grass is barely even growing. It does, but it's been wet, it's been rainy. I get ticks over here in this part of the yard the most. And I think this is where the mice might be living, but I'm not really sure. But another note to make is my garage has a leak in it, so I'm gonna have to do some roofing work on the garage. It's the garage right there. Yeah, so there's a house. That makes sense. Yeah, so there's this giant sinkhole right here, and as you can see, there's one of the cotton balls in the hole with the permethrin on it. And then I threw these two little holes, and that's where I think the field mice are. Anyway, I'm looking for ticks. So yeah, about right here is usually where I pick up some ticks. That's all right. So a couple snakes in the yard today. That was cool. And there's the deer stand up there. Saw 9 deer the other day while I was out here. 2 little ones and 7 big ones. I have baby robins on the front door. We might go take a look at those. But here's that deer stand right there. And here's that tree that came down in one of the videos after it was really, really windy. So there's the house back there. So we'll see if they come over and mow it today. Probably will. They probably want the money. Figured I'd throw some money their way. So let's go back. Try to walk faster for you. So yeah, the garage has a leak now. It needs a whole new roof. Well, not a new roof, just it needs to be reshingled or a metal roof. Haven't decided. About right in here is where the deer like to come in. And I got some ticks here too. But have to do a tick check. So I have these maples popping up all over the yard. Here's one of them. And I decided to mark them with just white tape. So hopefully if someone does come out here thinking that they're helping me out and they cut the grass, then I'm hoping they see that and they don't mow over the maples. Like if you can see back here, I got a whole bunch of maples popping up and I got them all marked so no one mows them over, hopefully. And yeah, so here's my original first burn pile and all the ash. There's where all the trash was. It's all cleaned up now. I'm just burning some wood. Let's see. I got some metal out of this pile here. So the neighbor who's gonna cut the grass, he's going to take that metal. I don't know if you can see it, but it's in that barrel right there. All the metal that I've pulled out of that fire pit behind me. So yeah, and then the groundhog's hole is right there. And I still need to patch the door to the basement, do some brickwork, clean it out. Oh, I did pull off a lot of poison ivy today from around the house, from around some trees. Just trying to cut down on that poison ivy. And I found a deer feeder right there, right off the property, and some skulls, coyote skull, a couple deer skulls. And so I've been pulling out a lot of glass. I made a rule that if there's glass, you stop whatever you're doing and you pick up the glass. And so those bags are all full of glass. 4 whole bags full of glass just on the property. It's crazy. So right here, if we can see them, is the baby robins in there. And the mom is trying to attack me. See her back there? See her? There she goes. She's trying to attack me because I'm like super close to her babies. So she's not happy. She's flying around. Where'd she go? So anyway, they're up there in the tree. Anyway, yeah, so here we are at the $9,000 home, and it's taking care of tick day, which is cutting the grass, doing the tick tubes, because up here, I don't know if you can see it, but that is a woodpecker home. The woodpecker's not eating the ticks. So I thought about getting some chicken and letting the chicken run around and eat the ticks, but I don't know. Because they're probably just gonna run off and the coyotes will probably just eat them. So, yeah, there it is. So maybe we'll do that. But yeah, just waiting on them to cut the grass. Actually, I think I'm gonna leave, go home, take a shower, wash this poison ivy off me, check myself for ticks, wash my clothes, come back with some money, see if they've mowed the yard. There's no way they're gonna mow all of it, but it would be cool to see what they would do. But maybe they'll cut out a border to keep the ticks out. But I haven't talked to them again. So that's it. Here we are. I know I haven't posted in a while, so figured I'd give you an update. So that's that. New roof on the garage and patch the holes on the house in the roof is what I need to do. This is my next step. Not too excited about it, but it needs to be done. All right, well, thanks for stopping by again. Hello everybody, goodbye. And since it's the day before Mother's Day, tomorrow, happy Mother's Day to my mom and to your mom. So, talk to you later. Bye.